Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Zero X Pro, and today I'll show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you will want to hold your power button, and once you see your boot options, hold power off. Next, when the device turns off, you will then want to hold power button and volume up at the same time. Now give it like solid 5-10 seconds after the screen turns black, and we're gonna start holding power button, volume up. If the device doesn't turn on in like first 10 seconds, you can let go of the power button and then start holding it again, but don't release the volume up. Now we might actually need to let go of the power button when the INFINIX logo shows up, so let's try that again. There we go. I'm going to let go of the power button. Now that the logo is up, I am still holding volume up, and there we go. As you can see, this takes us to the XOS. So here, to get past this, we're going to need to hold power button and press volume up while holding it. And this then redirects us to the designated mode recovery. Now in here you can use volume buttons either up or down to navigate up or down, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Going over the options, we have reboot system now, which takes us back to Android, reboot to bootloader, and enter fastboot, which both of those will take us to fastboot mode. Apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off. So I'm going to stick with the first option and confirm it. And like I mentioned before, this will now bring me back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.